I know you hookers don't think this is over with. Let's kick it old school. Here we go. It's street to rock.
Hey y'all, it's me Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video and I'm really excited because I built this vanity. It's super cute and I wanted to share how I built it with you guys. I did not do a tutorial, so I'm not gonna be telling you guys how to wire stuff and do that because like I watched a tutorial while I was doing mine. So this is like all in time lapse, so it's not really a tutorial, it's just me building it and showing you guys. So I will link down some tutorials that you guys can watch if you want to rebuild this. And also I just want to put a disclaimer before people come at me like nobody's business. I am not a professional electrician. I did not go to electrician school. This is what I did. You can talk to electricians to see a better way to do it. So yeah, I'm just trying to put out there that I'm not an electrician, so don't come at me. I just put a shelf up and I put the giant ass mirror. It's 36 by 48. And then I just put some lights and a shelf. This is a closet shelf. Also forgot to say that I have a remote that controls my vanity, so I can turn it on and off. So you can also add that. I forget how much it was, but I don't think it was that expensive. So y'all should like get this so you don't have to unplug it, plug it back in. You can just be like. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys after this video. Enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make and I'm really excited about my vanity. And you got a remote. I'm really excited about my vanity, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys recreate it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you the next time I post, which will, I'm actually trying to post more, like I really am. So stay tuned for my videos this year.